Hi guys, and again I'm back. So here I'm teaching you about oceans, because in last videos and yesterday class I have given you lots of information about the continents. So today here I'm here to teach you the about oceans. So in last yesterday I have given you homework how to learn the ocean, to learn the continents. That 7 continents were there, and I told that you have to learn with spelling. So in this chapter, this topic, we will see again the oceans. Oceans is what? And I told that please watch this map. If you have the book, please watch it. If you don't have book, please buy it as soon as possible. So please watch the ocean, this map, and you will find the names. 5 names, oceans names are there: Pacific, Atlantic, Arctic Ocean, Indian Ocean, and Southern Ocean. So these all 5 oceans are what are called oceans. So these are large areas on the earth's surface covered by land. So these all the oceans is what? It's like a water. So that all water areas which is covered by water, that areas are called the large areas which is covered the earth's surface by water. That areas are called oceans. That areas are called oceans. The smaller areas covered by water are known as seas. So the small areas which is covered by water, that areas are called seas. That areas are called seas. Next is, the water in oceans and seas is very salty. Means the water of oceans and seas is very salty. We can't drink that water because that is salt water. So that water is very salty. Which water? Oceans and seas water is very salty. The 5 oceans are, so again here is 5 oceans. We have 5 oceans. That again I am giving you the homework. You have to write down, learn the 5 oceans with spelling. So 5 oceans are Pacific Oceans, Atlantic Oceans, then Indian Oceans, then Arctic Oceans, and the last one is Southern Ocean. So we have a 5 oceans specially. You have to learn with spelling and just keep inside your mind that we have 5 oceans, and you have to learn the spelling also. Next one question is there. Find out the names of seas shows in the map on page number 16 and write down. So just go through the page number 16 map. Here is some small seas. Name seas is written. I'm just telling you the word, so just you can see, find out in this map, and then you can write down the spelling. So you just write down the Caspian Sea, then Mediterranean Sea, Arabian Sea, Red Sea, South China Sea. So these all is the seas name you have to write down here. In page number 17 lines are there. Write down first. I'm just waiting. So please write down. The name is written there: Caspian Sea, South China Sea, Arabian Sea, Red Sea, Mediterranean Sea. Please write down fast. Just now I told that please take your pencil and then you can sit in front of the online class, specially SST class. Please do it fast. So if you don't complete it, please complete down after the classes. Next page is 18. Please come to the page number 18, and one again pictures are there about Indian Peninsula and the island groups. Now, there are mountains, valleys, plains and plateaus under the sea as well. So under the sea also we have a mountains, valleys, plains and plateau. The top of some underwater mountains rise above the water and become islands. How the island forms? Suppose the top of the underwater mountains, it from the water, inside the water, the mountain it raises up and then above the water, and then it becomes the island. An island is a piece of land. An island is a only piece of land. A piece of land that is completely surrounded by water. That is totally different. All the four sides it is covered by water. A group of islands that are close together in the sea, means which island which is close together in the sea is known as archipelago. It is known as archipelago. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands of India are an example of an island. So here is, you just see archipelago is there. So in Andaman and Nicobar is in example, Andaman and Nicobar of India are the example of an archipelago. Picture is there, you can see there. Next is peninsula. Peninsula is a piece of land that is surrounded by water on only three sides. On only three sides. So you just see that picture, peninsula is here. I'm showing you the picture, peninsula is here. Yeah. So 1, 2, 3. These all three sides is water, only one side is land. Peninsula is here. So in peninsula we have three side water, one side is land. So a peninsula is a piece of land that is surrounded by water on three sides. However, unlike an island, it is also like an island. A peninsula is joined to a large piece, means it is joined to a very large piece of land on one side, means in one side it joins together in a very large piece of land. So the southern part of India, the south part of the downside part of the India is a peninsula. You can see in the map, here is the south part and this is called what? Peninsula. So only that much chapter, I hope that you guys have understood. Here is, did you know, just see there, many years ago there was only one large piece of land, means there many years ago only one large long piece are there. That land are called Pangaea. This broken into small piece, then it progress into small piece and which forms 7 continents. So with this word Pangaea is just a word, and from these the 7 continents has formed. So important, it is just keep in mind, like GK general knowledge are there. You just write down VVI, very important. Now your chapter is completed. I hope you guys have understood the homework, and these all I will upload on the website. So you can just go there and you can upload that homework, and then you can complete in fair copy, SST fair copy. So new words are there. I'm just repeating the new words. If you don't have the book, please find out the meaning from the dictionary, and please please purchase the book as soon as possible. So your first word is landforms. I'm telling you the spelling. Write down the spelling. L as in lion, A as in apple, N as in nose, D as in dog, F as in fan, O as in orange, R as in rose, M as in mango, and S as in sun. So your word comes like LANDFORMS, landforms. Next word is lava. L as in light, A as in apple, V as in van, and A as in air. So your word comes like LAVA, lava. Next word is coast. Write down the spelling. C as in car, O as in orange, A as in apple, S as in sun, and T as in tiger. So your word comes like COAST, coast. And your last word is cold desert. C as in car, O as in orange, L as in lion, D as in dog, again D as in dog, D as in like dragon, E as in ear, S as in sun, E as in ear, R as in rose, and T as in tiger. It's a 2 word. So your cold, 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 and desert is DESERT, desert. Yeah, only that much word is there, and you have to, if you have the book, please write down the new words from book. If you don't have the book, please purchase it as soon as possible. And if you don't, then go and just check these words and find out the meaning from dictionary. Thank you and have a nice day. Don't go inside. Be happy and enjoy your class, as well as you can be at home with and enjoy with your family members. Thank you and have a nice day.